happy Monday. It's your girl Kathy and my baby bump. We are getting in our movement, and today, let me tell you, time was not on my side. Do you see that beautiful sunset though behind us? How gorgeous is that? That'll perk you up for sure. It's doing it for me. Hope it's doing it for you too. Anyway, time was not on my side. I did not want to compromise on certain values of mine. It's kind of my principle, what I live by: consistency, commitment, dedication. When I do it right, it serves me right. So it's late. I'm out here still getting my steps in, getting my movement in, because that's what's important to me and my baby. And I also didn't compromise on cooking dinner, even though I was up to here on the stress and could have easily, threw in some sandwiches or did something that didn't have a very high level of nutrient value. So I decided, hey, one more thing I wasn't going to compromise with. There are a couple of things that rolled into tomorrow, and that's okay. I'm fine with that. They're things that can be moved around a little bit easier, and they are not going to mess with momentum that I have built and principles and values around certain habits. So wanted to pop on and just share that with you. If you're feeling stressed and you only have a certain amount of time in a day to fit in certain things, prioritize. All right, reevaluate, prioritize, chunk it down, and then move the things that you do not want to skew the habits that you've already created, those good habits, that consistency that you've put in, the momentum that you've built. Don't tear that down. If it happens once, no problem. But if you're just starting on this journey and you don't have a strong foundation, don't mess with it at first. Keep it consistent. Lock it in until you form that good habit. Then you can play around with it a little bit. So y'all, just wanted to share that. Hope you're having a great evening. And again, check out that sunset behind me and end this day with a smile. Happy Monday.